friends, welcome to today's video. I'm doing a project life spread for Scrapbook Nerd and I'm using the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Joyful Collection, and I just have the collection kit. I don't have the whole collection or anything, and it comes with the papers and it comes with the sticker sheet. I've used up a lot of it, so I don't have a lot left, but I'm using what I have, and then some other miscellaneous things from my stash. I'm going to use the 2 sticker sheets from last year's Simple Stories collections, Mix and a Mingle and Baking Spirits Bright. I'm going to use those 2, not sticker sheets, sticker books. So I'm going to use those in the page as well, and that's it. Oh, and some enamel dots and gems for my stash. So these pictures here are from a snowy winter day, and the ones in the middle, I'm not sure you can tell, but the ones in the middle, so I had this wreath on the front of my door, and these birds came and sat on the wreath, and it was just so beautiful, and obviously I couldn't see it from the outside, but I saw the shadows from the inside, and it was just so pretty. It was so lovely. So I got some pictures of that and printed it. It just looked like, I don't know, from a movie or something. You could see like the little silhouettes of these birds sitting on the wreath. It was so cute. So that's what those pictures are. And then just more of snow, going on walks. The top middle picture is Remy looking out the window. Our neighbor has like a bird feeder thing, and the food sometimes falls on the ground. And there were 3 squirrels, I think at least 3 squirrels on the ground eating the food on the ground, and it was really funny and really cute. And Remy obviously loves the squirrels, and so does Harvey. And I really think we should get a bird feeder like that, because I think they would really love that. So I'm not necessarily documenting Christmas things, so I'm trying to avoid Christmas stuff where I can. I mean, like, oh, what fun. Yes, that's from a Christmas song, but also, like, can I use it for non-Christmas things? I think so. I don't know. I don't mind that this is a Christmas collection and there might be some Christmas things here or there, and it's not Christmas photos. I think that's okay. To each their own. But I'm using I cut out these little stars here that are from one of the papers. I've done that on a layout too, and I love the way that looked. I really wanted to layer these stars and then nestle that squirrel into there, but it just made so much sense to have the squirrel sticker on the picture with the squirrels. And even though I really liked it kind of tucked into those stars, I think it just made more sense on the squirrel picture. And it ended up looking really good anyway. I love the way this layout turned out nonetheless. So building the clusters there, usually I will put my stickers and things right on the photos, but I don't know, for some reason here I did a lot on top of the page protector. I don't really know why. It just was the way my brain was working this day. I haven't done a project life spread in a while, so I feel like I needed to just figure out my way this day, and also because I was trying to avoid any Christmas specific things. I was able to use up something from my stash. If you know me and you know me as a crafter, I love to use things up from my stash. It makes me feel so good. I also get very overwhelmed when I have too many products and too much stuff to work with. And yeah, it's just like overwhelming for me. So kind of nice to slowly use things up. So I used up just something from my stash, some little gems that I had. And then I almost used up the sticker sheet. I just have 1 tab and then a bunch of word stickers. So I'm sure in the Christmas season with December Daily and all that stuff, I am sure I will use that sheet up, because I will try to prioritize using those word stickers before I use other ones, and I'm sure it'll be used up very fast because I love word stickers. I use them on so many of my projects. I've been doing a lot of Happy Mail over on my Patreon, and that's where I get to use some of those Christmas word stickers as well. I'm doing some Christmas swaps with some friends, so lots of crafting going on over here, and it's so much fun. So here's where I bring in the sticker books, because I just wasn't sure what direction to go in from here. I felt like I had used up most of the things that I could from the sticker sheet, which actually did me pretty well, because I think this is like my 4th or 5th project with just a collection kit that just has papers and just has the sticker book. So I think that's pretty good. I'm just going to, not the sticker book, the sticker sheet. I just wanted to look here quickly on the Scrapbook Nerd website to see if they still have these sticker books because they're really nice and really handy. Okay, yes, they still have the Mix and a Mingle one, which I'm using more of here. And then the other one is Baking Spirits Bright. Here it is, and yes, still in stock. So I love the sticker books. I definitely think they're handy for Christmas projects because they have a lot of pages, come with a lot of stickers, word stickers, numbers, labels, tabs, all the good stuff, and then of course the different icons as well. So I find the sticker books really handy. That's why I felt like I didn't really need much more today when I was working because these sticker sheets just have so much stuff. I realized I have 15, I think it's 15 or 16 ephemera packs in my Christmas crafting, which is crazy. I think I lean more towards the stickers because they already have adhesive and they're like on a paper, so they're not just like in the little baggie or in the bowl or wherever you store your ephemera. And I just gravitate towards the sticker books more because it's like tidier, all being in one little sheet or page or little booklet. And when I have like sticker sheets and ephemera pack from the same collection, like I'm going to go to the sticker sheet first. So I have so many ephemera packs, and we'll see how I do with going through my stash this Christmas season. But this definitely was a good warm up. So here's a close up. I'll do another close up a little bit closer. But thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have all the links down below for Scrapbook Nerd where I got these products. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think and hope you have a great day. Bye.